Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 11th Jan 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. In this channel is my trade journey in stock market, where on daily basis I review my trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for next trading session. If you are new to this channel, I request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do click on the bell icon so that every day when I give an update, you get a notification. So let's see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So Nifty, as expected, gapped up and somehow maintained had a small correction and then almost consolidated on the similar range. Our trade plan for Nifty was to buy on dip somewhere on this circle at closer to uh, 14312 and 14307, but Nifty never reached to that level, so I didn't take any trade on Nifty. Similarly, on Bank Nifty, all our trade plan was to buy on dip, and Bank Nifty actually went had after a gap up opening, it had a good correction, and it came below our level. So in I took my first trade on this green bar, which was at the pivot at around 32,189. And then we had a strong correction. Although, as per my strategy, I did not put any stop loss, so I got saved here. And then again on this green bar, I took another entry. And then here I bought 34,000 CE, and here I got 32,000 CE for 14th Jan. 32,000 CE I exited on this particular red bar, and this 34,000 CE I carried home for tomorrow. So if you see my position, 32,400 C is in negative, and 32,000 C, which I squared off, was in positive at 2710. So what's the learning for today? Again, learning for today is the entry management. What I did is that I entered my full lot, that is 5 lot, which I do at one together on this green bar. Actually, earlier I entered only with 2 lot, and then somehow I did not manage my patience, and I entered again with another 3 lot here. Actually, I should have. The learning is that I should step up my buying, which is 2 2 and 2 or 2 2 1, something like that. But yeah, there's the plan, and have patience. Patience is the virtue in stock market. So now let's see what do we have for Nifty tomorrow. So when we look into Nifty on daily basis, Nifty is above 8 day, 20 day, 50 day, all moving average. With the gap up, we had a very strong follow up. Reliance is weak, still Nifty is moving up, mainly because of IT. And what we see here is that Nifty is looking forward to go to 14,566. So on daily basis, Nifty is an uptrend. On a 15 minute chart, also Nifty is above 8 day, 20 day, 50 day, and 200 day moving average. So in uptrend. Tomorrow, our trade plan for Nifty is buy on dip. So when we look into global market are looking weak. They had or almost flat. So 14,467 is where currently Singapore SGX Nifty is. So tomorrow we'll go for buy on dip on Nifty. Uh, for Camarilla, tomorrow the Nifty pivot is at 14,455 and support at 14,453 and 14,422. So 14,455. So just above weekly resistance, which will act as a support. So somewhere, let me just pull this rectangle here. In this zone, 14,455 14,422. So this is the area in which closer to 20-day and just above 50-day moving average. Nifty will have a very strong support at 14,350. So if it goes below this also, then look for a price action for a reversal here and enter for a target of 14,550. Similarly for Bank Nifty, uh, I'm already carrying a 5 lot up. This seems to be a big red bar. It is above 8, 20, 50 and 200 day moving average. Definitely market is overstretched, but in strong uptrend. On 15-minute chart, also market looks above 8 day, about 20, about 200, below 50. So kind of uptrend. So tomorrow for Bank Nifty also, the idea is buy on dip. We have a pivot for tomorrow at Bank Nifty at 32,155 and L3 at 31,933 and 31,770. 31,933. So 31,933 and 31,770. So this is a buying zone, just about 200-day moving average and just below the monthly resistance. And above, this is going to be very strong support, which is 31,770. So this is the weekly support and this is a 200-day moving average. So I'm carrying Bank Nifty home. It may open flat, then come down and move up. And with the target of 32,422, which is closer to today's high. Yeah, 32,4 it is. Yeah, 32,400. 422 somewhere here. So that's the plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty. The trend is up, market is overstretched, and I will go for buy on dip. Um, so if you're still with me, and if you like to know more about my trade setup, then I use a very fairly simple trade setup. Please check out my video on trade setup. With the link is in description box, as well as at the end of the video. If you feel that this discussion has added any value to your trade setup or trading ideas for tomorrow, then please give me your like. Do subscribe, share it with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I try to post one video on a daily basis. Uh, so thank you very much and Jai Hind.